Audio Jungle.
First off, thank you. This is our 7th year doing it. We beat last year by about 100. To say I'm blown away is an understatement. You know, most of you guys know when we started this, I think the first year we only did 50 to 80 kids, and then it grew every year from that point. Thanks to all of you. You know, it's interesting to see how what you guys have taken and passed down to your friends, family, subcontractors, working partners, and to see how it's grown like this is just phenomenal. We can't say thank you enough. You know, we did almost half of the total kids that are in the system between Lee and Collier County, you know, just between this group of people that are in here. You know, and you look around, that's pretty amazing.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Again, just really want to say thank you guys very much for everything that you guys do.